This video is property of DB Cycle Parts LLC. This is a 1999 Articat ZR800. These were a couple of cheap sleds we bought from the same guy to part out. This one's had the tunnel painted on it. It has an aftermarket seat cover. There is one little nick in the seat cover back here. The rest of the cover looks like it's in nice shape. It's just a little dusty and got some raccoon paw prints on it from walking over it. Hood's been spray bombed, lime green, kind of like a satiny lime green, I guess. It's not really super shiny, it's like a matte finish. Surprisingly, it has no cracks in the hood. You can see no repairs in the hood anywhere, it doesn't look like. So the hood was nice, but it is now painted. It's got stock pipes on it. It's an 800, as you can see here. It has a D&D secondary helix in it and a purple spring in the primary clutch. We will fire it up here shortly and show you that it runs. It is low on gas. It has green skis, so we'll be parting those out with the Fox rebuildable shocks, but they're in pretty rough shape. Side belly pans actually look okay. These are kind of unique. I've never seen a belly pan that is smooth finish. They don't have the texture on them like a lot of them do. So that's kind of unique. But I know these are discontinued, so they're getting hard to find. And this one looks like it's in pretty good shape on both sides. We will fire it up here. It has 4,475 miles on it. I believe the gas gauge does not work. I know the heated thumb throttle does not work, but we did start it up earlier and check both grips do get warm, so they do work. I will show you that it runs here. Helps when you turn it on. Has an ZRT can on it, so it is loud. The studs are worn. They've been removed from the outside. They're not all pulled through, but they are removed. There you can see aluminum adjusters, the ACT rebuildable shocks. So we will be parting this entire sled out. Everything will be listed on eBay under our user ID of DB Cycle Parts. So if you want to look up parts there, you can see them there. Once again, that's DB Cycle Parts.